Hello everyone, it's Cindy. I'm making this video to show you how to claim your airdrops at Checkbook.cash. So visit this website, click Receive and click List the checks sent to me. Then you can see all the airdrops sent to your address. For example, here I got over 800 cash in my address. So when you claim it, remember to pay attention to the date that will expire if you don't claim your airdrops. Click Accept. Now let's wait to confirm the transaction. Oh, you can see that the gas fees for smartBCH network is really low. So I think smartBCH is really suitable to do airdrops. Just imagine if you have several dollars of airdrops on Ethereum, you don't even have the gas fee to claim it. Okay, now let's wait for the transaction to be confirmed. This is a new account I created to make this video. There are so many airdrops going on these days, so it might take a little bit longer than usual. Let's see if we already got the cash. Oh, here you can see I already claimed my cash. The contract has been confirmed. If you cannot see your balance, it might be you haven't imported the token in your wallet. So here you need to have the smart contract address of cash. Just copy and paste here. You can go to smartBCH to check all the smart contract addresses of projects based on smartBCH. Here is a Google Sheet I've been working on with all the information of these projects. I will publish it later. Alright, let me make a new account to show you how to import cash token in the MetaMask wallet. Alright, so here, let me connect a new account that has zero balance in it. And then click Import Tokens. And then paste the smart contract address here. Normally, the token symbols will just automatically show in there, so you don't need to do anything. Alright, now you can see the cash in your wallet. That's it. Now go to Checkbook.cash to see if you have any cash airdrop.